How to block someone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on green button located at bottom right. And then you'll find all your contacts pop up. Simply select the contact you want to block. After you click on the contact you want to block, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right. And then you will find more option at the bottom. Click on more. After that you will find block option. Simply click on block. Click on block again. After that the person will be blocked on your WhatsApp. As you can see, you blocked this contact. And this is how to block someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.